name is Sanjay and this session is about learning how to manage MIBs and plugins in Nagios XI. So for manage MIBs and plugins, we will go to admin. In admin under system extensions, you will find manage MIBs. As you can see, Nagios XI has a large number of basic MIBs. You can download these MIBs to your workstation or delete the one from here. From here we can download one and we can delete it. So this one, agent X MIB, I will delete now. Okay, so it is deleted. To upload this MIB, click on the browse button at the top of the page and select the MIBs. This is the MIBs I just deleted. So there are 3 radio buttons at the right of this browse box. If you are not going to use SNMP traps for this MIBs, then simply click upload only. If you are using Nagios XI as a SNMP trap receiver or running SNMP TT from command line, then click on add to SNMP TT. If you are using Nagios XI SNMP trap interface, click on add to SNMP trap interface. For SNMP trap now click upload MIB. Once you do, the MIBs will appear in the table below. So this is the MIB and you have this note here. Beside this upload MIB, you will find process all traps and import all to trap interface. Process all traps page will pull all the trap information from all of the MIBs on XI system and make them available to use with the SNMPTT on the command line. So once we click on process all traps, you will see 67 MIBs processed. So after clicking on import all to trap interface, you can go to SNMP trap interface. You will find all this here. But as this is a demo or trial version I am running on, this feature is only a part of enterprise edition of Nagios XI. But if you are licensed or you have activated your Nagios, you can see all the traps showing here. Now let us move to manage plugins in Nagios XI. So what is plugins in Nagios XI? Basically, so we come across several questions on can Nagios monitor this thing? Can Nagios monitor hardware health of my device? Can Nagios monitor my database metrics? Can Nagios monitor my device uptime? So the answer to this all questions is always yes, if there is a plugin to monitor this available, or if you can write one. So here we will see how to find a plugin, how to upload a plugin, how to install this plugin, and how to get it going. Nagios itself provides more than 4,000 plugins in its database. Let us see how we can find a plugin from Nagios Exchange. So we can simply type on Google Nagios plugin Exchange. You can click to this link and here in search in Exchange you can search for your plugin. I will search for uptime. Okay, I want to monitor uptime. So these are the different plugins available. This is for SNMP uptime. This is patch for uptime. This is check uptime with notify. But the one which I require is, suppose say this one. Okay, so I will first download it from here. So this is the plugin and this is the usage and instruction how to use it. I will simply download it first. Okay, so once downloaded, we can go to manage plugin. Here you can see we already have a lot set of plugins available by default. So this all comes packaged with Nagios XI installation. So for uploading the new plugin or installing new plugin, I will browse this plugin first and then I will click on upload plugin. So once I click on upload plugin, the new plugin was installed successfully. I can save this plugin or download this plugin to my workstation. I can delete this plugin from Nagios XI and I can upload it. So after uploading MIBs and plugins, you might wonder where it is actually stored in Nagios XI. So this is my Nagios XI, which is having CentOS, which is on CentOS 7.6, and this is my Nagios server. Let's first switch folder. All the plugins are stored, so we can locate any plugin here. So so this is my plugin which is uploaded on March 3. You can see here the timing. This plugin is uploaded just 2 minutes before. Okay. So now let us test use it. So check uptime. Simply executing this will show me the uptime of my machine. You can compare it with the command. Okay. So here we have already preloaded MIBs that we saw on the list while uploading one. So we can find our MIB which we just uploaded here. You can see the upload time, which is March 3, 1544. Okay, say some 10 minutes before. So in this way, we can upload and manage our MIBs of plugins in Nagios XI. So this was all about managing MIBs and plugins in Nagios XI. Hope you got a better understanding on how to manage these components in Nagios. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.